Okay, so I wanted to answer this question even though I already responded back, but it's important for others to know. So she said, been manifesting so long, but it doesn't seem is working. So, two things. You said been manifesting it for so long. So right there, it's telling me that you are so focused on the time. And the other thing is you are affirming that it doesn't seem it's working. So those two things, if you are focusing on time, then you are creating more time. And by you saying it doesn't seem it's working, it's not going to work. So your job is to go within your mind, and you are going to embody that version of you who is already with that person now. The second that you go out into the 3D and you're checking to see if they're back, that's not believing that you already have your desire. You are not trusting that your desire is yours. You are looking out into the 3D to see if you see any movement, etc. But some people don't even experience any physical movement in their 3D at all. There is movement happening behind the scenes. Whatever needs to move will move in order to get to you for you to have your desire. So again, when you are focused on how long it's been, it's telling your subconscious mind that you don't have your desire now. Your job is to trick your subconscious mind into believing that you have your desire now. Your subconscious mind does not know the difference between what is real and what is fake. Your subconscious mind only believes whatever you tell it. So you can be going all day and embodying that version of you who already has your desire, but then you're looking out into the 3D to see if you see any movement happening, or checking to see where it is, checking your phone to see, did you get any texts from them? The minute that you do that, you're delaying it. So just go within your mind, work on your self-concept, and embody that version of you who has your desire now. Do not worry about time. Do not worry about how it's going to come to you, where it's going to come to you. Just know that it is done, it is yours, and it is going to show up any second now. Follow me for more tips.